Hey guys, Ray13 here. Welcome back to my channel. If you guys don't know, my name is Ray and today it is pouring rain in Vancouver. It is so miserable and gloomy outside. I was just in such a mood when I got off work. I thought that I would do something kind of fun to put myself in a better, just happier mood. And for me, that's always been playing around with makeup. I think it's just so fun. Everything that you can do and create. So I got really inspired and thought that I would do a nice, fun, sultry eye. So anyways, if you guys are interested in seeing how I did my makeup today, then keep watching. So I've already moisturized my face and next we're gonna go in with my favorite face primer. So I'm gonna be taking the Hourglass Mineral Veil. So I'm taking so much, but whatever. And I'm just gonna rub it into my face. Once that's rubbed in, I'm gonna go ahead and prime my eyelids right now because I like to let my primer kind of soak into my skin a little bit. I find that it makes my makeup apply a lot smoother since it kind of settles into the skin a bit. I'm just gonna take the Urban Decay Primer Potion and prime my eyelids. I'm just gonna go ahead and apply my foundation. And I'm just gonna be applying it with my Real Techniques sponge. I like it. That's big. Has a nice flat end. I find that it's a lot easier for me to kind of get into all of the places that I need. I'm gonna make sure it's blended all along my hairline. Okay, so next I'm gonna go in with my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer and just conceal my under eyes as well as down the bridge of my nose and my chin. Oh my god, I'm dying. I'm so allergic to dust. And I was moving everything around and I have not mopped or vacuumed my room in so long and there's so much dust flying around. I keep feeling it landing on my face and my nose. I keep wanting to sneeze, so I'm gonna try to power through this. I'm just bringing whatever is left kind of up my nose into the center of my two eyebrows. And then just the inner corners just above where my eyelids begin. And I'm just kind of blending around my face, making sure I don't have any harsh lines. I'm happy with that, so I'm gonna go in and now set my under eyes. Aside from my under eyes, I found I don't really like applying powder anywhere else, honestly. Cool. That was super not dramatic. Today I'm going to be doing a look with the Naked Basics palette. I do love this palette so much. This is what the makeup palette looks like. And I'm gonna start by taking this shade and this as my transition shade. And I'm just gonna take it on the super fluffy brush. This is a Sephora brush. I don't know what the number is, but it's just a super fluffy brush. But the shades, if you have this palette, I'm using. And so I'm just gonna be using these two shades, Nude and Commando. I'm just gonna blend them together. I'm just gonna take a little bit more and then again, just blend it out. So now that we have those two done, I'm gonna go in with Instinct. It's kind of nice. It looks super purpley, but I promise it's a little more brown. And now once that's super blended, I'm going to go in with a precision brush, this dark purpley brown shade Lethal. And we're just going to put it in the outer third of the crease. And then we're gonna repeat it on this side. When we're done that, as you can see, everything's pretty blended. I'm gonna go in with my Golden State of Mind, the ColourPop palette. And I think I'm gonna apply Mind Trick. And I'm just gonna use my pinky finger. And then I'm just going to apply it to my lid. And this is the final product. So we're just gonna do it on the side again. And then again, we're just gonna wipe away any fallout. So I'm just gonna go in with my fluffy brush and just kind of ensure that there's no glitter by my crease. The last step, I'm gonna go back in with the Naked Basics palette, and I'm gonna go in using this color down here called Pregame. And I'm gonna take that on a normal flat eyeshadow brush. I'm just gonna apply it to my brow bone. That's also gonna help blend out all the eyeshadow that we had there a little bit better. Okay, so next I'm just gonna do my eyebrows and I'll come right back. So we're back. I've done my eyebrows and next I'm going to do some bronzer and give my skin a nice bronze flush because I'm tan, but I'm still way too pale. So I'm just gonna take my dual-ended highlight bronzer brush from Tarte. I'm using the Park Avenue Princess bronzer. I'm just gonna start on my neck because this is super pigmented and it has a sheen to it. So I like to start lower down so then I have product on my brush and I don't overkill when I highlight other areas. Just gonna do a little bit on my forehead. I don't have a super large forehead, so I don't need to do a ton. Now that's done, I'm gonna go in with some blush, and I'm also using a blush from Tarte, and it's called Party! I'm gonna go in with an angled blush brush from Morphe. And I'm just gonna start on the apples of my cheeks. It's just like a really nice pink that just, I think, accompanies. It's a really nice pink that I think goes really well with the pink eyeshadow. It's not too overpowering, it's matte, so you really focus on the shimmer of the eyeshadow. The bronzer has a bit of a shimmer to it, so I try to keep the rest of my face as matte as possible. I'm just gonna curl my eyelashes and then apply some mascara. I start with the ends of my eyelashes, the tips. I'll do one eye, and then I'll do the other eye, and then I'll go from the base. I'm just gonna go in using the brush that comes in the Naked Basics palette, and I'm gonna start with Commando, and I'm just going to put it on my lower lash line and just bring it down pretty far. Okay, so we're almost done, but for my last step, I'm gonna be taking the ColourPop highlighter, the Super Shock Cheek, and it's called Stole the Show. I'll do a little swatch for you guys. Wow, like it's so pretty. I already have so much on my finger. And I'm just gonna dot it and do a little bit on the tip of my nose. I'm just gonna go in with another finger that didn't have any of the highlighter on it and just make sure that edge is blended. I lied, there's one more step. There's one more step. I always forget there's one more step because I'm literally the worst person in the entire world when it comes to applying like lip gloss, lipstick, anything on my lips. What color? I'm kind of thinking like kind of like a fun pink. And this is the NARS lip gloss in Chelsea Curls. All right, we're done. Wow, so exciting. We did it. Couldn't have done it without all of you guys watching me. Wow, really put the pressure on this one. Let me know what you guys think of this look in the comments. Let me know if the next time I do a makeup look, you want it to be a little more intense. Is this a little too chill for you? Do you really want to see some kind of like funky eyeliner? Do we want to do like an entire face like one color that's like less natural, so like not pink or brown? Like do we want to do like kind of like a blue or a purple, do a copper? If you guys like this video, feel free to like the video and subscribe so you don't miss another featured video. Anyways, I hope all of you guys have a great day and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!